Hi guys, I hope everybody is safe and well. So, this is a short video to introduce myself and a little bit about the course to you. I am Milena Moreira, nice to meet you, and I will be your mentor for the next 6 weeks. I'm a Brazilian architect and urbanist. I studied in a historic and listed city named Laranjeiras, in the northeast of Brazil. I took my master's in the UK with a scholarship from the British government called Chevening, and I studied sustainable building conservation at Cardiff University. Well, to be honest, of course, I like to study cities, their history and formation process. I actually realized it during my undergraduate years when I studied about my hometown in a scientific project. I also studied more about cities in my master's in the UK. I analyzed and compared case studies in Aracaju, which is my hometown, Liverpool, and the stone town of Zanzibar. So I think this is enough about me. So please introduce yourself as well and tell me where you're from and what you like and dislike about cities. Let's try to talk more about cities in the comments. Well, in this course, you will be introduced to the diverse field of urban studies, and I hope you get to love to study about cities as much as I do. Please read the course outline on Google Classroom so you have an idea of what topics are going to be covered. At the end of this course, I hope to make you think more about cities, especially the city you live in. Maybe you found out something you don't know, maybe you found out a curiosity or something interesting about the history, because our final assignment is for you to write a short essay, let's say 2 paragraphs, about your hometown, about your city. And I want you to answer me, what was it that made you curious about studying urbanism? Well, thank you so much for enrolling in this course. And if you haven't done it yet, please do so we can start our studies next week. See you soon.